Hey, it's the real man, Carrie. Out here feeding my birds, feed the cats, whatever animal pull up. You understand? Yes, sir. Give them good walnuts, Belgian waffles that I burnt. Crush up their little walnuts. We got them a bird bath, one-stop shop. They nest right up here in the trees. They in all them trees, and they come fly over here with the babies. So they my babies now. The real man cave. Come on, man. Now we got some meat. We can get back in. The rest of my peeps. Peace in the valley. They have enough water for now. They just need sun, as with me. Just need sun. And the same thing. You understand? Old school. To me.